This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the default download destination on the Epic Privacy web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Epic Privacy browser opened up now. To change your default download destination, you want to open up Settings first. I'm going to go off to the upper right-hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the Settings page, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to go down to where it says Downloads and click on Downloads. Then on the center pane, under Downloads, it tells you what your current download destination is here. To change that, you just want to go off to the right side here to the Change button. Click on Change. Little dialog box will pop open asking you where you want to now have your download destination. Say that I want to use my desktop. I'm going to click on Desktop. Then I'm going to go down and I'm going to click on Select Folder. And now, as you can see, now my default download destination is my desktop. Now, if you want it to ask you each time you go to download something, if you want that dialog box to pop open asking you where you want to download it, you would toggle this on right here. If not, you could toggle that off, and down below that it says Show Downloads when they are done. But to change the default download destination, that's the top thing up here, you just click on the Change button. Thanks for watching.